So there are about 15 countries in the world that completely ban drones from entering their country. Now, what do you do whenever you're traveling for a year abroad like us, you're not planning on going home soon, but you have a drone? You can see the list. Now, this isn't all 15, but this is just a few. We went to Oman, Morocco, and Egypt. All three of them, drones were banned. Somehow, we managed to make it into Oman with our drone. While we were in the country, we found out that it was banned and we weren't allowed to have it. So we ended up going to the American Embassy to see if they could help us out with, I don't know, like...
to wrap up our drone, put a stamp on it saying, they're good to go, they're not gonna fly it, I promise.
Maybe we could keep it with us on our next travels to Morocco and Egypt.
We're being very dramatic.
Oh, with just the links that we were going to
yeah,
try to get
we were
fixed.
willing to do anything.
Yeah. Well, the American Embassy ended up shifting us over to the Egyptian Embassy, saying that maybe they can help us out. No such luck. There were some guys in there that suggested maybe we send our drone ahead to like a next Airbnb or like a hostel that we were gonna be staying at in the following countries. And luckily for us, Ashley had a friend in Spain. And so,
shout out to Forrest.
Forrest. So we got her address and sent it to her from a DHL in Oman. One of the things that you are not allowed to ship is a drone. And we convinced them that this was not a drone and it was just a camera.
We just sent a drone to a country, to an address that we've never been to. They don't know it's coming.
And we won't be there. It's 2 countries ahead of us. But 200 bucks to send it is better than losing $1,000 and losing our drone.
Oh, take the bets.
So after that, we went to Egypt, we saw the pyramids, it was a great time, check out that video. And then while we were in Morocco, we still weren't getting any emails or texts, nothing telling us the whereabouts of our drone. So we make a phone call.
Un momento, por favor.
Gracias. ¿Es inglés, por favor?
Okay, so to catch you up, our drone has been in customs via online for days apparently. We finally found it.
They tell us that our sweet baby that's been with us for the last 15 countries has been shipped back to Oman.
We can't return it to
phone number, it's my phone number is... We were all the way in Morocco, but we did end up meeting some people in Oman, and they happened to be from Houston, Texas, like the same area that we were from. Shout out to Robbie and Steven.
Thank you.
Definitely whenever you go abroad, don't be strangers. Everybody's friends. Talk, because they may come in handy to you more than you may ever imagine. That southern hospitality from strangers. We're getting our drone back. Robbie actually had to go to the DHL in Oman and pick the drone up for us, and she's been holding it for us, and it's so nice. Very excited to get it back. Hey!
It arrives!
Oh my gosh, all the way from Oman.
That's right, back in Houston.
Thank you so much, Robbie.
You're so
oh my gosh, woo! So take this story for what you will. We just wanted to share our experience because we know other travel vloggers that have actually gotten their drones confiscated going into countries like Egypt, Morocco, and Oman. We were fortunate enough for that to not happen, but be sure that you do your research on the countries that do ban drones from going in, and maybe you won't have to go through this headache. But let us know also if we can make more videos like this to help your travels easier. We're gonna vlog it real, and be sure to like and subscribe and comment. Let us know anything you want, and we'll see you guys next time.